let's move to Germany. All right, here she is. Good morning, guys. Today is the day. I am moving to Germany today, and I honestly can't believe it. It never feels real, I don't think, until I'm gonna like get to the airport or be on the airplane. I'll probably feel like I'm actually moving, but it honestly is a really bittersweet and exciting chapter. I feel like everything is happening in this vlog. I'm moving all of my stuff to Germany. I'm ready to go pretty much. I just took a shower this morning, got ready. I have all my stuff, all my suitcases that I'm checking are lined up outside. So I do apologize for the kind of break that I took on YouTube. I really just wanted to spend the time enjoying being at home and also getting my visa. And I did get my work visa, which is probably the most stressful part of moving to another country, is getting your like residence permit, work visa, student visa, etc. So I'm all set to start working in a couple of weeks. I feel like this is gonna be such a full vlog of so many different moments. So I'm really happy to take you all along with me. So with that being said, let's move to Germany.
And stand by passengers buried.
We are on the plane. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day, and I basically spent the first like few hours in Germany just sleeping, and we went out to dinner last night, got really good Greek food, and that's pretty much all. We haven't even started unpacking yet because our closet comes tomorrow. We're going to IKEA today to pick up like a sideboard for the kitchen and a dresser for the bedroom and a pantry for some of our like pantry items. I'm gonna make a little montage of putting everything together and setting up the space, but right now all the rooms are pretty much empty. We just have like air mattress and like mattress sitting on the floor type of vibes until our bed frame comes in a couple of days. Our washing machine comes tomorrow, and our internet still needs to get set up. So this is a very beginning stage of the apartment, but I love this apartment so much. The sunlight is honestly amazing. I feel like I'm happier just sitting in the sun, and I really wanted that for my new apartment to have really good sunlight. So I'm super happy that we have that. I like the curry flavor.
I think I love this place. This is like.
This only took less than 10 minutes to build. So easy to follow the instructions. This desk is amazing, has a drawer and some USB ports, and I love the bamboo top with the white bottom. I feel like it goes with our apartment so well. So we are gonna move this into our office. couch has just been delivered. It's super pretty. There was a big struggle getting it through our hallway. All right, here she is. The air mattress is still going strong over here, but I think this will be the placement of the couch. It's super pretty. I love it so much. It's super cozy. It fits everything. It's perfect for when guests come. We have a little space here for like a lamp, and then we have our plugs hidden right here. So, love it. Another delivery. We just received our bed frame, which is so beautiful. It is a really cute cream color and it matches our couch really well, especially with this detail on the side. Our couch has the same, so we're really excited about this. All right, bed progress. We have the frame done. My boyfriend did like all of that. My mom and I are just helping putting in these little slat holders. So we have bed support and everything, but now we're gonna try to put the rest of the wooden slats and then the mattress. We have a bed, yay! This is our bed, it's so pretty. It matches our couch really well. Love it. For our pantry, we have our items on this rack so far, but we are probably going to add extra storage, just like more like solid, sturdy without the holes here, so that we can have open things like flour and cornstarch, and then we have pasta down here, and then on this section here, we have like a baking drawer for me. So we have a little food scale, my banana bread holder, measuring cups. Yeah, you can tell.